Hi guys, today we're thinking about 2 times 9 and Anna's here to share her idea with us. So first of all, Anna, this reads as you can read it as 2 groups of 9.
Yes.
Okay, so let's think about it as 2 groups of 9 or 9 plus 9.
But I want to kind of split that 9 into 1 and 8.
Okay, so let's bring the 9s forward and then we'll do the decomposing, okay?
Okay.
So here's one group of 9, right?
Mm-hmm.
Can you make sure? So 1, 2, 3,
4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Okay, perfect. And then we're going to do 2 groups of 9 because we're doing 9 plus 9, right?
Mm-hmm.
So I'll just get you to count this and make sure that I've got 9 here. So
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
okay, perfect. Okay, now you said that you wanted to do some splitting.
Yes.
Or some decomposing. So you want to do this into what?
I want to do it into 8 and 1.
Okay, so 1 and 8.
I want to do that because I can add that 1 to the 9 to make a 10.
Oh, that's a great idea. So here's the second 9. So this 9 here. We're going to split it or decompose it into 8 and 1.
And then add it over here.
Okay, and that's going to give you how many?
Well, we had 9 before, so 9 plus 1, I think we all know, is 10.
Okay, and then it's 10 plus 8. Do you want to write down the final answer for us?
So that means it's 18. So let's count on our fingers first.
So
10 in our mind, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. That's 8. Okay, so
that's
that
some
means
nice counting on your fingers. Okay.
So that means 2 times 9 equals 18. Bye, everyone! Hi, I know how to do 2 times 9, and I'm going to have Miss Tina here to help me.
Yes. Okay. Shall we think of this as 2 groups of 9?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so 2 groups of 9 or 9 plus 9. So let's bring the 9 in here. So, yeah. And so that's one group of 9, right, Louis? Okay. Now let's do another group of 9. Okay. Let's help. You can help. That would be awesome. These ones. These. Here. Can you move those ones? How many do we have? Do we have enough? Not quite yet. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, so how are you going to do 9 plus 9?
Okay, so we're going to think of it as 10.
Oh, okay. So I'm going to add one more green one to each group of 9 so that we can think of it as 10. You really like 10s, don't you? Okay, so 10 plus 10
equals 20.
Okay, but we added these, right?
We added too much, so then we have to take 2 away, would equal 18.
Yeah, so this equals 20 altogether. So 19.
18.
Okay, can you write down the final answer for us?
So then that means 2 times 9 equals 18.
Fabulous job.
Thanks.